Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, we are from the Astro Valley ID team. My name is Agas.
My name is Gongwa.
My name is Seo.
My name is Winanta.
My name is Badrika.
My name is Ananta.
And now we are going to present our innovation, which is a prototype space exploration robot for the planet Mars with our tagline, where exploration meets innovation, from Bali, Indonesia. Our background racing history is that we all know that Mars had long been a symbol of hope for new civilization beyond Earth. Now, in this 21st century, technological advance had made us closer to that dream. But Mars isn't a friendly place, with its freezing cold temperature and thin atmosphere making every step full of risk and danger. That's why we created a prototype of a robot that could make our dreams and hope come true in the future. That we named Astro Valley ID, namely a prototype space exploration robot.
Curiosity. Curiosity is a car-sized robot that landed in the large crater on Mars. By now, it has traveled about 35 kilometers and recently found a rock-shaped pattern that looked like coral, giving scientists clues that water had ever flowed in Mars. Perseverance. It is part of NASA 2020 mission and landed in G0 crater in February 2021. In July 2024, Perseverance had traveled about 34 kilometers and 24 relief and residual lift, and now it's traveling in Witch Hazel crater. Before knowing more about the robot that we created, I'm going to explain the components that help the robot run. First, there's the Arduino Mega for the main control. Second, the little battery for the robot energy. Third, there's the soil and DHC22 sensor that was used to collect data of the planet Mars. Fourth, the soil moist sensor that was used to check the water level in the soil. Lastly, there's the distance sensor that was used to make the robot navigate automatically and help the human civilization on Earth. Next, I'm going to explain how the robot works. First, you need to turn on the black switch next to the red switch. It will turn on the camera and the soil moist sensor. If you want the robot to move automatically, you need to press the red switch. How it works is that it will detect an object under 30 centimeters, and then it will find a much safer route. Here's the video.
We have known the component that was used in this robot, such as distance sensor on the front of the robot, DHC22 temperature, and moist sensor on the top of the robot. And there's the camera in the front of the robot that could rotate using servo motor 1. And there is the soil moisture in the back of the robot that could go up and down using servo motor 2. And last, there is the Arduino Mega as the robot controller.
There are many challenges that this robot will face on Mars, because we all know that Mars is a very place with the challenge that the robot will face on, which is extreme terrain surface, thin atmosphere, low temperature, Martian dust, energy limitation, latent design, and communication delay. Beyond that challenge, there will always be development for the robots, such as adaptive wheels, protective system against UV rays, and much more.
Next on, there's the impact of solution on society, which is encouraging the advancement of science and education, strengthening international collaboration, and encouraging technological innovation on Earth. There are also cases of implementation idea, which is the NASA Curiosity rover and Perseverance rover, which is till now going out there for a better sample of the future of human civilization.
All for our robot. Thank you for watching till the end. Om Santi 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 Om. Bye.